So this has been frying for about 10 minutes now. So I'll be introducing my carrots. Carrot is the first thing to be introduced after stir frying your grated meat, because carrot is very hard. So we're going to leave it all for another 10 minutes so that the carrots can get soft. So let's leave it. So next we'll be introducing our paprikas. Oh, sorry. The vegetable looks so nice, inviting. So at this point, I'll be introducing my tomatoes, the parboiled tomatoes. So if you have more tomatoes, you can add to it. I'll be adding more. So you can see it's already cooking. So now I'll be introducing all my seasoning. So I'll be introducing my basilicum, that is basilic or basilica. Introduce my herbs, combination of all herbs. I'll be adding in my spaghetti mix. It's like it's spaghetti seasoning, special seasoning for spaghetti. Here comes my dark sauce. So next is my seasoning cube, but I'll be adding just half of the seasoning cube. So I just add in my my boliches, my meatballs. I just add in my meatballs. So my black pepper, I just add little of my black pepper off camera, sorry, and I also added little salt off camera. So at this point, I'll be leaving it for 30 minutes, good 30 minutes to get really cooked. Then after 30 minutes, my sauce is ready. So I will show you the end result of this sauce. Sit back, don't leave, keep watching and watch to the end. Please like my videos, comment, follow me, share my videos. Let's know where you're watching from so we can send you a big hug and kisses, and also know how you prepare your pasta sauce. Send it in, drop it in the comment section how you prepare your own spaghetti sauce. Please, let's learn, let's teach each other, let's learn. We are family. Thanks for watching. Bye. So as you can see, I just finished mixing it. So I'm going to be transferring it into the bowl before adding in my cast. I'm going to be using the special spoon. So my spaghetti is ready. So as I said earlier, this is the sauce. So you can just make white spaghetti and eat it with the sauce directly, or if you want to make it like a jollof, like you want to combine the sauce and the spaghetti together, then you have this. And this sauce as well, you can also use it to eat potatoes. As I said earlier in my previous video, you can boil Irish potato and eat it with it. It also goes well. You can also eat it with rice. It goes. And this is the last part of the spaghetti, veggie spaghetti sauce. So now we'll be using the pasta mix. So what I would do is, after pouring it in the bowl, I just have to sprinkle the cast on it. This is actually cast, I mean. Sprinkle it round. So when you are ready to eat it, you just put it in your oven and bake it. You bake it for 10 minutes. And why you have to bake it is because you want the cast to melt inside the spaghetti. So being hot alone will not make the cast melt, because at the moment the pasta I just finished cooking it is very hot, but the cast is not going to melt inside. So what we do is, for you to get the cast and the taste of the cast inside the spaghetti, what you have to do is you have to put on your oven. You bake it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes the spaghetti is ready, and you have, then it's ready for you to eat. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Keep supporting your girl Rosemary Kitchen. See you in my next videos. Ciao.